Assalamualaikum and good day to each and everyone. We are the Group 9 together with my group members Datu Anfar Laban, Jamela Dumato, and Montashare Bangko. And we will be going to discuss to you the roles and skills of social workers in handling selected issues such as the HIV and poverty. So itatakal namin yung mode of management and including the related loss of HIV and poverty. So let's start. So what is HIV? HIV or the human immunodeficiency virus is a virus katulad siya ng COVID-19 no, that attacks the body's immune system. So, kung tatanungin natin no, if HIV is not treated, no, it can lead to AIDS or yung tinatawag nilang acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So, maraming researches no and um, paghahanap no pagse-search kung meron na bang cure dito. So as per my research no, there is currently no effective cure for this. So ibig sabihin once you get HIV, you have it for life or people have it for life no. But with proper medical care, HIV can be controlled, handled or mitigated no. People with HIV who get effective HIV treatment can live long, healthy lives and protect their partners, no, protect their families and even friends. No, what are the symptoms of HIV? So, maraming symptoms ng HIV, no? For many, yes, most people have flu-like symptoms within 2 to 3 weeks, 2 to 4 weeks, no, after infection. So, symptoms may last for a few days or even several weeks. So having these symptoms doesn't mean no having the symptoms alone doesn't mean you have already HIV. So other illnesses can cause similar symptoms. So ibig sabihin no dahil ang masakit is minsan para-parahin sila ng simptomas na pinapakita. So ibig sabihin hindi ibig sabihin no na include na natin na HIV or meron na tayong HIV. Even no some people have no symptoms at all. The only way to know if you have HIV is to get tested dahil meron tayong mga testing centers no in which doon natin malalaman kung meron na ba tayo or positive or negative pa tayo sa tinatawag na HIV. So ano nga ba yung social work practice in HIV or AIDS? So human immunodeficiency virus or HIV and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome AIDS or AIDS no affect millions of people and families around the world. So ibig sabihin globally siya. Hindi lang siya sa isang household or an individual or a human being or one person no nangyayari because all around the world social workers in this area provide support to people living with HIV or AIDS and those affected by the disease including partners, family members, children and friends dahil hindi lang naman nagre-revolve yung sakit sa isang tao sometimes no hindi natin alam baka nahawa na yung mga kapamilya nila. So with their understanding of the social determinants no of health which include social status, income, education and social support networks, social worker consider all these elements no yung circle nito that contribute to a person's mental and physical well-being dahil on finding the solution no para matulungan yung ating client na nagsasuffer ng HIV pwede nating itap yung mga kung anong meron siya no yung income niya no kung anong ginagalawan niya yung environment niya. So ano nga ba yung roles and responsibilities ni social worker? So depending on the role and the organization, social workers working in the HIV field no may unang-una dyan is hold individual counseling or psychotherapy sessions no for individuals, couples, and families na nagsasuffer nito. So, pwede tayo mag-offer ng counseling no or psychotherapy sessions to those individuals na nagsasuffer ng HIV. Pangalawa naman, we can also conduct support groups for people living with HIV and their partners, children, and friends, no? Pwede tayong mag-offer nito. For those na nagsasuffer ng HIV or AIDS, no? Pwede tayong bumuo ng circle of support system for our client, no? Of course, next, pangatlo is we can work as a part of an interdisciplinary team to develop individualized treatment plans, di ba? Individualized treatment plans. Dahil hindi naman, porque yung mga clients mo is may mga HIV or AIDS, no? Hindi naman ibig sabihin is pare-pareho sila ng ginagalawan or pare-pareho sila ng tinatawag ng person in environment, no? Pangalawa naman is liaise with agencies or pang-aapat is Pang-apat naman is liaise with agencies, organization, and services providers, no, to offer additional support or augment what already exists. So, ibig sabihin, pwede tayong mag-tap within different organization, agencies, no, or service providers, resource providers na pwede nating or matap na pwede na tayo as a social worker na matulungan yung ating client, no, para there is a lot of networking para makatulong tayo sa ating client. We can also make referrals to community resources, lalo na sa mga barangay halls, no, barangay centers, no, para matulungan yung ating clients. Next is we can also advocate on behalf of people living with HIV/AIDS, families, groups, and communities as needed. So, ibig sabihin dito, pwede tayo magkaroon ng, community in which we can advocate kasi malaking bagay yung we can able to share our voice, no? Uplift their lives through our voices, through our words dahil malaking ginagampanan nating role within the community, within the society. So, pwede tayo na gamitin natin yung mga platforms natin, no, para ibahagi kung ano yung kahalagahan, no, and their importance on the society. We can also develop and deliver education to individuals, families, and communities, no? Pwede tayo magbigay ng mga information, no? Needed information for those na merong HIV, no? Kasi baka hindi sila aware kung ano yung mga dapat nilang gawin, no? Yung mga agencies na kailangan nilang puntahan in terms of crisis, no? We can also perform community health needs assessments and participate in community health planning. 'Di ba? Sabi sa atin, flexible ang mga social workers. So we can do so much more than giving them such as the latas and their basic necessities, no. Pwede tayo mag-communicate within the barangay health centers, no, para matulungan na mag-conduct ng mga projects, programs related to HIV and AIDS para matulungan sila on how to cope up and how to mitigate kung ano man yung meron sa kanila. So, lastly, we can plan, develop, and evaluate community programs. So, ibig sabihin, no, we can, yun na nga yung sinasabi ko, no, correlated siya, no, we can plan and develop community programs for them, no, dahil hindi naman, very rampant itong mga HIV and AIDS ngayon, no, tumataas yung bilang ng kaso nito, and tayo mga social workers, dapat andun tayo, present tayo, no, para tulungan yung mga taong nakaka-experience nito, dahil 'di ba nga, no, diverse yung clients na mamimit natin in our field. So dapat aware tayo, no, sa kung ano nga ba ang HIV and AIDS, anong pagkakaiba nila, and paano natin matutulungan yung mga taong nakakaranas nito. So once again, no, dapat tayong mga social workers hindi tayo judgmental, no. We uphold the right, no. We uphold the principle of non-judgmental attitude, no, dahil sa ating field, yun nga, marami tayong hinahawakan cases, and possible na makahawak tayo ng cases na may HIV or AIDS, no. So dapat tayo we need to be sensitive with our client, with our words. We choose the nice words with our client para we can able to build rapport and encourage client dialogue, no. So once again, I am Adam Esnanding, and ang magko-continue ng aking discussion will be Montashare Bangkok. So that's all. Thank you for listening.